Hey, you found our little Easter egg. Well, here in Pixar's new atrium, we like to use it in rather interesting ways. So stay tuned for Pixar's first annual International Airshow.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first annual Pixar International Airshow. Oh, look at this. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. Oh,
My goal is to get it on the ground without breaking it.
Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there you go. It picked up steam. Oh, lovely, lovely flight. Oh, beautiful. Duck, everybody. Yes, very good, Mark. That's beautiful. He's testing the air.